Nature's calling us to identify with our pure animal that is the perfect flow of life that makes us one with all. What do you imagine this squirrel is thinking? Now imagine being a squirrel without words. Imagine not needing to do anything to be better than you have always been. The eternal laws of nature have never been changed by ideas. Nothing we can do or think will separate us from the natural order. Belief in the personal identity dream is created by the cultural conditioning we teach children. Waking up from prejudicial nightmares is remembering we can never be imagined thoughts. Now imagine meeting people and seeing what makes us one by ignoring identity labels we use to rate and compare. Nature calling cards use self-inquiry to expose attachments to imagined fears that cause anxiety. Please visit naturecallingcards.blogspot.com. Thank you.